Have a good day. My name is Jenerilyn Isabaw. Here the question of interview. What are the key components of an effective parent or guardian to a teacher relationship? Here is my answer. For me, the effective one is we have to respect each other and be responsible as a child mother, teaching them a good manners such as discipline and above all in a respectful manner. And because of that, in school, when every student has a good discipline and respect, each of us has a good relationship of every parent or guardian with a teacher. However, in our saying that what it is in the tree and that is also in the fruit. And that's all. God bless us all and thank you.